Dear friends, today I am unboxing Vivo S20 Pro. Alongside, let's share some information about this smartphone. This smartphone will feature a 6.7-inch display with a 1.5K resolution. It is tipped to run on MediaTek Dimensity 9300 plus SoC. Vivo S20 Pro has a 50 megapixel selfie camera and a triple rear camera unit which is said to include a 50 megapixel Sony IMX921 main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor and a 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto sensor with a 3x optical zoom. Vivo is expected to pack a 5500 mAh battery on the device with 90-watt charging support. It is said to sport an optical fingerprint scanner as well. It sports a 6.78-inch 1.5K OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and has a triple rear camera setup led by a 50 megapixel Sony IMX921 primary sensor. The smartphone has a 5500 mAh battery that supports 80-watt fast charging.